Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. We are checking out this carport. This was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. And this is such a versatile carport. So we've got this set up here in my driveway and just a great addition to add shade, protection from weather, rain, snow, whatever. This is great. So it is made with 19 gauge steel that it is so sturdy. It arrives in 5 separate boxes, so they might not, ours didn't come all on the same day, so just be aware of that. This was fairly easy to assemble, but it did take about 6 to 8 hours with my husband and brother-in-law. You definitely need 2 strong adults at least to put this together, as it is definitely heavier and it does need climbing and a drill and things like that. So definitely look at the product specifications to see what tools you might need. This is a great addition to your home or property to park your car, your vehicle in. So here we've got my Kia Telluride. This is just to show you the space. It's huge. Like, this is really a big carport, and they have other sizing options available. But here you can see with the SUV about how much space you have. Lots of room. Now let's check it out with a 1500 Dodge Ram. This has still a lot of room, so you could even do a dually in here with plenty of space. Check out the space in here. So we've got it pulled up to the front here at the tip of the truck, and I'm going to show you how much of the truck is actually sticking out. So a little bit of the tail end is sticking out, but most of it's covered. Lots of room on the side to open your doors. And let's check it out with our little Saturn Sky. This is our little roadster, and just, if you're comparing for a ATV, a motorcycle, or a smaller recreational vehicle, definitely this would work. You can see the basketball hoop here for height gauge. This has anchoring parts here that you can screw into concrete. It does come with bolts to bolt it down into the concrete, so be aware of that. The sheet metal is so nice and strong and can withstand a heavy load if you have a big snow load or anything like that. Nice and sturdy. This is just such a great addition to your property, to your home, to keep your space protected, your vehicles protected. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.